Wix eCommerce is a solid option for building your online store, but before diving in, there are a few things you need to know. Whether you're getting into dropshipping or simply setting up your own store, understanding what Wix offers and how it stacks up against competitors is key to making the right decision. First, Wix is user-friendly. Unlike platforms like Shopify or BigCommerce, Wix's drag and drop editor makes building your store simple and intuitive, even for beginners. You don't need any coding experience, which is a big advantage. But that ease of use can sometimes come at the cost of customization flexibility. If you're looking for more control over the finer details of your store's design, you might find the options a bit limiting. Next thing to consider is the pricing. Wix offers a free plan, but it's not ideal for e-commerce. To unlock the features you need for dropshipping, you'll have to upgrade to one of their paid plans. The pricing is competitive compared to Shopify and BigCommerce, but if you're on a tight budget, Shopify offers more tailored e-commerce features at a higher cost. The third thing you should know is about their apps and integrations. Wix has a lot of third-party integrations, but it's not as extensive as Shopify or WooCommerce. While you'll find apps for payment gateways, dropshipping suppliers, and marketing, there might be fewer options available compared to what you'd get on platforms that specialize in e-commerce. Now, let's talk about scalability. Wix is great for getting started, but as your store grows, you might hit some limits. The platform isn't as scalable as Shopify or BigCommerce, which are built for larger operations. If you're planning to grow quickly, you may outgrow Wix's capabilities in terms of performance, especially during high traffic. The fifth thing to keep in mind is dropshipping support. Wix allows dropshipping, but it's not as seamless as Shopify or WooCommerce. While you can connect apps like Modelist and Spocket, managing multiple suppliers can be a bit more challenging due to Wix's more basic backend compared to the more robust solutions of other platforms. Next thing, SEO. Wix has made improvements to its SEO features, but it's still not as strong as Shopify or WooCommerce, which offer more advanced SEO tools. If search engine optimization is a top priority for you, Wix can do the job, but it may not be as effective for driving organic traffic as the competition. The seventh point is about customer support. Wix offers 24/7 support, which is great, but Shopify's support system is more in-depth with dedicated agents and live chat. Wix does offer chat and email support, but it's not quite as responsive when compared to Shopify's round-the-clock help. Next up, let's talk about mobile optimization. Wix has decent mobile responsiveness, but it's not as robust as Shopify's mobile app, which lets you manage your store on the go with more ease. If you plan to run your business from your phone or tablet, Shopify might give you a better mobile experience. The ninth thing to consider is transaction fees. Wix doesn't charge any transaction fees for stores using its own payment processor, Wix Payments. However, if you opt for PayPal or another third-party payment gateway, they'll charge a fee. While Shopify also has fees for third-party payments, they offer more options, and their payment system is generally smoother. The 10th point is about the design flexibility. Wix has hundreds of templates, but these are less customizable than Shopify's themes. Shopify's themes are built specifically for e-commerce, offering a more professional and polished feel, which can make a big difference as your store grows. Next, let's touch on analytics. Wix offers basic analytics and reporting features, but if you want advanced insights, you'll need third-party apps. Shopify, on the other hand, provides robust analytics out of the box, giving you detailed insights into sales, traffic, and customer behavior. The 12th and final thing to know is that Wix is a good option for small businesses or dropshipping beginners. However, if you want a better solution that's more scalable, offers more integrations, and provides a stronger focus on e-commerce, then we recommend trying out Shopify or another tailored platform. Overall, Wix e-commerce is a good choice for beginners and small-scale operations. If you're looking for something that will grow with your business, though, we suggest checking out our recommended solution that you can try for free.